Winter is coming soon, and I remembered that there are still a lot of ingredients in the vegetable garden. Let's go see what we can pick up. Wow, there are basil, rosemary, pepper, and onion. Let's use these ingredients to make an orange fried chicken today. We use simple ingredients to make healthy food. The cooking skills of each dish are extracted, allowing you to easily replicate them successfully. Thank you friends for watching and subscribing. I hope to share cooking experiences and creativity with you all. Let's deal with the ingredients for marinating the chicken legs first. Tip 1. Chop some ginger, onion, garlic, and all the pickled ingredients, and soak them in a little warm water for 10 minutes. Tip 2. Let me share with you the 3-knife method of processing chicken legs. The first knife is a circular cut here to cut off the skin and tendons of the chicken legs. The second knife is to cut the leg meat along the direction of the bone. The third knife makes a cut in the cartilage. In this way, the whole chicken leg meat will come off. Cut the chicken into strips for easy marinating and frying. Pour the processed marinade into a colander like this, and then use a spoon to squeeze out as much juice as possible. The problem of removing the fishy smell and adding flavor has been solved. Let's flavor the chicken legs and add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 15 milliliters, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 30 milliliters, 5 grams of salt. Stir evenly and pour into the chicken legs. Stir the chicken legs like this. Try to coat all the seasonings on the chicken legs and marinate for 10 to 20 minutes. Today's ingredients are very rich. Let's cut the onion slices and separate them like this. Some basil, some scallion nuts, 2 red peppers for a spicy kick, and rosemary. The delicious, sour and sweet oranges are cut into slices like this. They look very beautiful in color and very appetizing. It's time to marinate. Tip 3. Squeeze the water from the chicken legs with your hands like this. After squeezing, add 20 grams of starch and stir with your hands to let the starch absorb the water and wrap it around the chicken legs. Pour in another 10 milliliters of oil and stir to allow the oil to lock in the moisture. Tip 4. Today's ingredients cannot be fried for too long, so we simply make a sauce. There is no need to add seasonings many times during the frying process. Add 1 spoon of light soy sauce, 15 milliliters, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 15 milliliters. The ingredients are all prepared. Let's start cooking. Put 15 milliliters of oil in the pot. You don't need too much oil. The subcutaneous fat of the chicken will also produce oil during frying. Add the chicken legs together, turn on medium heat and fry slowly. Do not turn over. You can rotate the pan like this, shake it, and try to expand the fried surface. Fry until one side is golden brown, then quickly turn it over, shaking it halfway to keep the heat even, and fry until the skin is golden brown and slightly charred. Add rosemary for a lovely scent. Put the chicken aside, add other ingredients, add the sauce to taste. and stir-fry together with the chicken legs until fragrant. The chicken is tender and tender, the orange is sweet and slightly sour, and it is rich in the comprehensive taste of rosemary and basil. The chicken legs are ready. Thank you very much for watching our videos. If you like what I cook, please subscribe and like our show. Good ingredients, simple preparation, start a journey of taste. See you in the next issue.